with the house itself measuring a generous 33 by 46 feet. This modern concept is meticulously designed to harmonize with its expansive wooded lot, while actively addressing neighborhood privacy challenges. The architect cleverly utilizes substantial stone-clad volumes and a deeply recessed entryway to establish a strong, protective boundary against the public street. Meanwhile, expansive glazing sheltered by deep roof overhangs brilliantly invites nature indoors without exposing inhabitants to outside views. Stepping past this grounded, protective facade, the interior reveals a masterful command of natural illumination. The home's daylighting strategy is dynamically orchestrated to respond beautifully to the sun's daily trajectory. Expansive, floor-to-ceiling windows are precisely oriented to capture soft, low-angle, morning and afternoon sunlight, casting shifting shadows across the warm timber and stone textures. As the sun peaks, those deep exterior eaves function as passive solar shields to filter out harsh midday glare, ensuring the living spaces transition fluidly from a vibrant, sun-drenched morning glow to a balanced ambient retreat by dusk. House 2. Spanning a substantial 36 by 43 feet footprint, House number 2 exemplifies a striking contemporary style balancing rustic warmth with modern refinement. An elegant pitched roof line and dynamic facade thoughtfully contrast heavily textured stone against sleek dark timber. This masterful pairing creates a sophisticated, grounded elevation seamlessly connected to its environment. The open concept layout prioritizes fluid circulation, anchoring a multi-seater lounge and massive dining table with generous clearances for effortless hosting. In the private quarters, perfectly scaled king-size beds serve as visual anchors to prevent the space from feeling overwhelmed. This precise command of spatial ratios maintains an exceptionally expansive, breathable, and luxuriously uncluttered atmosphere.